Why do 70% of WordPress users struggle with ad fraud? Let's fix that with a simple ads.txt file. Adding an ads.txt file to your WordPress site is easier than you think. This simple text file declares who can sell your digital ad space, protecting you from fraud and boosting your ad revenue. Step 1. Create your ads.txt file. Open a text editor and add your ad network info. For example, for Google AdSense, it looks like this: google.com, pub 123456789012345 direct F08C47 Veki 0942Fe0. Replace the publisher ID with yours and save it as ads.txt. Step 2. Upload the file. If plugins are your jam, log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins. Add new, search for ads.txt manager, install, activate and paste your ads.txt content. Prefer manual uploads? No problem. Use cPanel or an FTP client like FileZilla. Just drop the ads.txt file into your website's root directory, usually public_HTML. Step 3. Verify it works. Head to yourdomain.com/ads.txt in your browser. Make sure the content matches what you uploaded. Got issues? Check for file errors, ad network warnings, or cache issues. And there you have it. Adding an ads.txt file to your WordPress site is simple and crucial for ad transparency. Protect your revenue and build advertiser trust today. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment below. Happy blogging!